हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू? होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। होप आप सब अच्छे से ये चैप्टर पढ़ रहे होंगे। तो आज हम पहुंचे हैं थर्ड पार्ट, कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड चैप्टर के थर्ड पार्ट वीडियो में। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है, बहुत ही इजी लगेगा। अल्केन, अल्कीन और अल्काइन सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स और अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स को समझते हुए हम आसानी से ये चैप्टर को इजी बना देंगे। तो ये वीडियो में स्पेसिफिकली हम अल्केन्स को कवर करेंगे, ठीक है। So let's start today's video. So what is the meaning of hydrocarbon? So first of all, let's try to understand about hydrocarbon. So what is the meaning of hydrocarbon? हाइड्रो और कार्बन, नेम से ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि दो चीज के कॉम्बिनेशन में ये एक कंपाउंड बनता है, हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन के। सो ऑल द कार्बन कंपाउंड्स विच कंटेन्स कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन, ऐसे कार्बन कंपाउंड जिसमें कार्बन के साथ हाइड्रोजन भी हो, उसे हम बोलते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन। ओके, नाउ hydrocarbons are divided into two parts we have discussed in part 2 video, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. And we all know that saturated hydrocarbons have single covalent bond between two carbon atom. Okay, in unsaturated hydrocarbon there will be two covalent bond or three covalent bond. If there is two covalent bond, then they are known as alkenes, and if there is three covalent bond, then they are known as alkynes, and if there is single covalent bond, then the name is alkane. Okay, so now this thing is clear. So for alkane family, the formula is too simple, that is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene family, formula is CnH2n, and for alkynes the formula is CnH2n minus 2. And I have one trick to remember all of these three in a very easy way. You just have to remember the formula of alkane. Rest 2 will be derived from the alkane formula. Okay, so let's try to see that how you can easily remember the formula for alkane, alkene and alkyne. So let's start with alkane. So the formula of alkane is very much simple, that is CnH2n plus 2. Then the formula of alkene is simple. You just have to remove two hydrogen atoms. You just remove two hydrogen atoms and the formula will become CnH2n. Okay, so now the formula is easy for you. And if you are just subtracting another two hydrogen atom from alkene, then the formula that you are achieving is nothing but the formula of CnH2n minus 2, and this is the formula for alkyne. So now I think you are clear with the formulas. Now let's try to form the molecular structure or bond structure of alkane family, and it's very much simple. Okay, so here as you can see that alkane family's formula is CnH2n plus 2. So here if n value is 1, then the name will start from meth. Then I will write name over here, that is methane. Then I will write formula and structure will be shown at last. Okay students, so methane. So you can see that in suffix ane is written and in prefix meth is coming. So for every n equal to 1, you have to understand in prefix meth will come. Okay, and the formula for, if you substitute n equal to 1 in the above formula, then formula will become CH4 and structure is too simple, CH4. Okay, now coming to n equal to 2. So what will be the name? So name is nothing but ethane. Now if you see in prefix ETHA is written and ETH is written and ANE is nothing but your suffix. So ETH is your prefix and ANE is suffix. Sorry for the mistake between prefix and suffix. So if you substitute n value in this formula, you will get chemical formula for ethane as C2H6. Now if you try to draw the structure for ethane, then what will be the structure for ethane? So it's too simple. As you all know that one carbon atom can form four covalent bond, single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I hope this ethane molecular structure is clear. Again I will draw for n equal to 3, and the name is nothing but propane. Propane is your hydrocarbon name. Formula is nothing but C3H8, and your structure is too simple. You just have to draw the 3 carbon atoms, and you just draw or link hydrogen with it, and you count the hydrogen. It is nothing but 8 atoms of hydrogen. 3 plus 3 6, and left side right side 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So you can easily draw this diagram. Sorry students, it's actually linking. Okay, so now propane is clear. Now if you increase one more value for n, then name of that compound will be methane, ethane, propane and butane. Butane is the name. If you substitute the value, then formula is too simple, that is C4H10. And if you draw the structure, then 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there, and 10 hydrogen atoms will be linked with it. Okay, 4 upwards, 4 downwards, 1 atom on left side and 1 atom on right side. So this is your structure. Now coming to n equal to 5, if you increase one more value, then you can see over here that the name will change to pentane. Name is pentane. In prefix there will be pent, and in suffix there will be ane. Okay, so now let's try to have the formula for same. So formula is C5H12, and the structure will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now coming to the last structure, that is n equal to 6. Then what is name? Name is too simple, that is hexane. Okay, and formula will be too simple, again C6H14. Structure is again simple. You just have to link 6 carbon with each other in the form of chain structure. That is the catenation property of carbon. You just link hydrogen with it with a single covalent bond. You will achieve the structure. So 6 upwards, 6 downwards, total 12, left side 1 atom and right side 1 atom. So in this way alkane family is completed, and from this we can say that for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prefix name, if we try to understand, then for n equal to 1, for any of the alk family, prefix name is fixed. That is, for n equal to 1 it's meth, n equal to 2 it's eth, for n equal to 3 it's prop, then it's but, then it's pent, and at last for 6 it's fixed, that is hex. Okay, so I think the prefix name is clear, and your suffix name can vary from ane to ene or yne. If it's alkane, then ane, if it's alkene, then ene, and if it's alkyne, then yne. So I hope you have cleared alkane portion completely. Alkene and alkyne portion, sorry, is on the way. So do visit video regularly. Thank you.